Hi, welcome to our IDCube Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use the Phasor Clustering toolbox in IDCube Pro. This toolbox supports parallel computing to accelerate computations. This toolbox also builds a density map from the entire data cube. It enables a user to select a cluster and visualize their position on a black and white image. It enables the user to visualize up to 3 clusters and calculate the area covered by each cluster in pixels. It enables searching of the region of interest on a cluster. To start, you'll want to navigate to Toolbox and then select Spectral Phasor Clustering. The toolbox will load. You'll first select a method. The available options are original image or subtraction, which will help to spread the scatter plot. For this option, you'll have to select a wavelength using the slider bar here. We'll choose the original image option. And then you'll click Start. The Start button will then generate a scatter plot and a gray image. You can visualize portions of the cluster on the reconstructed panel by clicking the blue Reconstruct button once the entire data cube has loaded. So to start, I want to zoom in. I then want to unclick the zoom and then click Reconstruct. I might be interested in what this region is like. So first, you'll choose either the rectangle or the ellipse, and then you'll highlight that region. It will then be reconstructed on the black and white image on the right. And as you can see, that high intensity area is the background. You can then clear selection. Next, you might want to search. So say you're interested in looking at the region of the coin, for example. You'll highlight that region, and then that will be reflected as red dots on the cluster here. Now, you're not able to cancel or clear the selection on the red dots unless you exit out of the toolbox. For more information, visit idcubes.com/documentation.